Good morning to all. Today we are discussing about ideal and practical characteristics of the operational amplifier. In this, the first characteristic is the open loop gain. Open loop means this operational amplifier, we are giving the input at this non-inverting terminal and inverting terminal, and we are collecting the output at this output terminal. It means that in this circuit we are not connecting any feedback connection to this input terminal. So this is we are considered as an open loop operational amplifier. Okay, so the open loop operational amplifier, the gain is ideally infinity, and the practical value of this open loop gain is 10 power 6. Okay, and the second characteristic is the input impedance, okay, or the input resistance of the operational amplifier. Okay, the ideal operational amplifier, the input resistance Ra is infinity, and the practical operational amplifier, the value is 1 mega ohm to 2 mega ohms. It means that basically this operational amplifier internally consisting the differential amplifier. We know that the input resistance of the differential amplifier Ra equal to 2 beta into Re dash. We know that this differential amplifier, the beta value is very large. Therefore, the differential amplifier input resistance is high. Okay, and the operational amplifier, the input resistance also high. Okay, and third characteristic is the output resistance. Okay, the output resistance of the ideal operational amplifier is infinity, and the practical value of this output resistance is 50 ohms to 100 ohms. Okay, and the next characteristic is the open loop bandwidth. The open loop bandwidth of the ideal operational amplifier is infinity, and the practical value is approximately equal to 1 megahertz. Okay, and the next characteristic is the offset voltage. The offset voltage of the ideal operational amplifier is 0, and the practical value is less than 10 millivolts. Okay, and the next one is offset current. The ideal operational amplifier offset current is 0, and the practical operational amplifier, this offset current is 10 nanoamperes. Okay, and the next one is CMRR, means common mode rejection ratio. Okay, the ideal operational amplifier, the common mode rejection ratio is infinity, and the practical operational amplifier, the CMRR is 90 decibel. So here we are considered as IC 741 op amp. Okay, and the last characteristic is the slew rate. The slew rate of the ideal operational amplifier is infinity, and the practical operational amplifier, the slew rate value is 0.5 to 1 volts per microsecond. Okay, so these are the ideal and practical characteristics of the operational amplifier. Okay, and next we are discussing about equivalent circuit of practical operational amplifier. Okay, so here we need to understanding about this equivalent circuit. Okay, according to nature of input and output signals, the amplifiers can be classified into four types. That is, first one is the voltage amplifier. Second one is the current amplifier. Third one is the transconductance amplifier, and fourth one is the trans resistance amplifier. Okay, so these amplifiers are classified based on the inputs and outputs. Okay, for example, here we are considered the voltage amplifier. This voltage amplifier input is voltage signal and output also voltage signal. Okay, and for example, we are considered the current amplifier. The current amplifier input is current signal and output also current signal. Okay, and third one we are considered as the transconductance amplifier. In this amplifier, input is voltage signal and output we are considered as current signal. Okay, and the last one is trans resistance amplifier. Okay, so in this the input is current and output is the voltage. Clear? And now we are considered the operational amplifier. In this operational amplifier, we are applying the input voltage at the inverting and non-inverting terminals of the operational amplifier, and we are obtaining the output at this output terminal. Here both the inputs and outputs are voltages. Therefore, this operational amplifier we are considered as voltage amplifier. Clear? And now we are drawing the equivalent circuit of this operational amplifier. Okay, the equivalent circuit of the operational amplifier I show in figure. In this, the inverting and non-inverting terminals of the voltage are V1 and V2. So here we are considered the V1 voltage is applied to the non-inverting terminal of the operational amplifier, and the V2 voltage is applied to the inverting terminal of the operational amplifier, and this Ri we are considered as the input resistance. Okay, and here we are considered the plus VCC and minus VE we are considered as the supply voltages. Okay, and the output circuit we are converted to Thevenin's voltage source. So this is we are considered as the Thevenin voltage source in series to Thevenin's impedance or Thevenin's resistance. Okay, so in this way we are draw the equivalent circuit of the operational amplifier. Okay, so in this operational amplifier the output voltage V0 equal to this AD into VD, that is equal to AD into this VD we are considering what the difference between these non-inverting voltage and the inverting voltage, that is V1 minus V2. So this is the output equation of the operational amplifier. Okay, so here the AD we are considered as large signal voltage gain or differential mode gain, and VD is the difference between two input signals, and V1 is the voltage at the non-inverting terminal with respect to ground. Okay, and V2 is the voltage at the inverting terminal with respect to ground. Okay, and V0 equal to this AD into VD, that is equal to AD into V1 minus V2 we are considered as Thevenin's voltage source. Okay, and here Ri is the input impedance, and Ro is the Thevenin's equivalent impedance, or we are considered as output impedance. Okay, so in this way we are drawing the equivalent circuit of the operational amplifier. Okay, and for example here we are considered as the ideal operational amplifier. Okay, how to draw the equivalent circuit of the ideal operational amplifier? Coming to the ideal operational amplifier, this Ri equal to infinity. It means that this terminal is open circuited. At the time here we are applying the source voltage is Vs, the same voltage we can apply to the input of this operational amplifier. Okay, so in this way we are drawing the practical and ideal operational amplifier equivalent circuits. Okay, thank you.